Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's Figma tip is to use K. So K is the scaling options in Figma. I've seen more people use this normal scaling option here, which is okay, but when scaling things that are like vectorized, like these icons, you see that when you're like very low, the stroke widths are not matching, and if it's very big, the stroke widths are not matching again. But if you want like consistent scaling, I'm just selecting everything, and when I press K, this sidebar will change to the scale unit. So the width and height is 14 right now, the scaling is in the middle, and you can just change the scale however you want. So let's just reduce it a little bit, and this consistently scales it down with the stroke preserved, stroke width preserved, everything will be preserved, and it consistently scales everything down and up. So if you want something to be bigger, you can just make it bigger. The stroke widths are not very thin right now, it's the correct stroke width, just scaled up or scaled down. So I'll change this back to 14, maybe even 10, and yeah, that's it. So when you're scaling things like this, or things like an illustration or something, use K, and it will be very easier to update it, to scale something down and up. And it's something that I use all the time. So when I want to scale something, so even this frame, I can just press K and scale it right down, or even make it bigger. So yeah, with versus when I normally scale it, which is this, some of this is going down, it's just changing everything. So just use K to have like a linear scaling experience. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you another Figma tip tomorrow. Bye bye.